Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy React.js app on cPanel. So let's say you built your website using React.js and you want to deploy this file on the cPanel. In today's video, I will show you how to do that. Let's get started. And the first step here is to purchase a domain name and also a hosting account. Now to learn how to purchase a domain name on Harmon Web and also a hosting account, click on the link above. And the next step is to create a production version of your React app. So I'll go to my VS Code, which is my code editor. From my VS Code, I have two applications here I built using React.js. And the first one was created using Vite, and the second one was created using the npx create React app. So going to the React app that I installed using Vite, I'll click on the terminal, I'll click on the new terminal, and from here I'm going to run a command which is npm run build. And this will create a production version of your React app which you can deploy on the cPanel. So with this, I'll click on enter. So the building for production process has been completed. Now you can see here the dist folder. From here you have the assets file, the index.html, and the vite.svg. And in case you use the npx create React app to install React, I will go to my second screen here. So here I made use of the npx create React app to create my React files. So from here I'll go to the terminal, I'll click on the new terminal, and I'll also run the same command which is npm run build. And I'll click on enter. So you wait for your build process. So from here, the build process has been completed. Now we can see the folder name here, which says build. It has different folders: static, asset manifests.json, favicon, the index.html. With this, we've successfully created a production version for our React app. From here, I'll be uploading the zip file for this dist folder, and also I'll be uploading the zip file for this build folder on the cPanel. So I'll go back to my cPanel. Now from your cPanel, you scroll to the file manager section. Now from the file manager, you can choose your domain name, your subdomain name for a particular React app, or you can also use your primary domain name, which is the public_html. So here I'll be using my primary domain name folder, which is the public_.html. I'll click on this. From here, I've already uploaded the zip files for my React app, which is the dist folder, in case you use Vite application to install React, and I also have the build folder in case you used the npx create React app. So here, to upload these files, click on the upload, and you select the file. You click on the particular zipped file, and you click on open. So from here, it's asking me to override the existing file. So I've already uploaded mine. I'm just going to click on overwrite. So the file has been uploaded successfully. So I'll go back to my public_html folder, which is my primary domain name folder, and reload the page. So from here, I have the folders. So what I'm going to do here is to extract these files, making use of the first option here. So this one was built using the npx create React app, and the second one was built using the Vite app. Ensure you don't deploy the two folders on your cPanel. So here, using the first option, I'm going to extract this. I'll click on extract, and I'll close this file. So I'll click on this build folder. So from here, I'm going to move all this folder directly under the public_html file. As you can see here, all these files are inside the build folder, which is not meant to be. So I'm going to move them directly under the public_html folder. So I'll right click, and I'll click move. I'll remove this build because I want it to be directly under the public_html, and I'll click on move files. So currently this file is empty. I'll go back, and from here I'll delete this build folder. From here we have our index.html file and other folders and file React needs to run successfully. So from here I'll go to my web browser and type my domain name. So from here you can see my domain name, which is demotutorial.yt, and this was the website that was built using React. And in case you installed React Developer 2 on your web browser, you can see here I installed the React Developer 2 on my web browser, and I click on this option. Now you can see the message that this page is using the production build of React. And I'll go back to my cPanel. And in case you made use of Vite to install React, we're going to make use of the second folder, which is the dist folder. I'm just going to quickly delete all these files and folders. From here, I just have the build folder and the disk folder. I'm going to extract the disk folder, and I'll click on extract file. Now the same thing, I'm going to click on this folder and move all this folder directly under the public underscore HTML file. So I'll right click and I'll click on the move. Then I'll remove the disk folder just to make sure that it's directly under the public underscore HTML folder. And I'll move the files. Now I'll go back. Now from here, I can see my index.html file, my vit.svg, and also the assets folders for my CSS and JavaScript files. So from here, I'll go back to my web browser and refresh the page. So from here, you can see the website I built here, and you can see the logo here, Vite plus React. So I installed React using the Vite application. So this website was built using React. Now from here, you can see the React icon here. So when I click this, you can see the message that this page is using the production build of React. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out. If you have any question, don't forget to leave them at the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.